Arrive in Zhabeshi, Zhabeshi, and after I would say roughly 10 kilometers, was it no 16-kilometer hike from Mestia. Anyhow, we just arrived, just checked into a what is it? Guest house Victor, and this place is amazing. I'm gonna do a quick tour so you can check it out. We're currently paying total. It includes. We're gonna be here for one night, then back onto the trail tomorrow. But we're paying 160 gel. It includes a bathroom with a bathroom, a room with a bathroom, and breakfast and dinner. So I'm gonna flip this around so you can check. Oh my gosh, check out this place. This place is amazing. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe that I decided to go check it with my girlfriend for 4 to 5 days off the beaten path. First time ever. Wonderful. First day in the bag. Amazing. I've got some clips. All right, check this place out. This is the front, right? That's the view from the front. All right, this is a small town. We just turned in our laundry because it was raining today and I got super sweaty and really stinky. So they're actually going to do our laundry for 5 gel. That is less than pretty much $3 US. Okay, so check out this place. This is a common area. There are a few other guests here with us. They're really cool. So here's a common area. I'm guessing. So I'm gonna do a quick view. Here's the card. Guest House Victor. Boom. Guest House Victor. Right here. And of course, I believe we're gonna have dinner down there. Right. It's really cool. All right. So this is our room number 2. Let me check. And I guess they have an outdoor space. Let's see what's upstairs before I actually. Oh wow, this is unfinished. This place was built in March of this year, 2021. So they're still working on this section of the guest house. But wow, maybe this is going to be like a little chill space. It's a balcony, door that leads out to the balcony for the front. And there's a, let's see if I can, I'm probably not supposed to be up here, but I'm already here. What the heck? So, check this place out. Right? I'm sneaking around. Alright, and then I'm gonna do the tour of the room. But check this out. This is the rear balcony. Alright? This is not our unit. Our unit is 1 story down. But hold on, let's get back. There we go. For some reason the autofocus wasn't really correcting itself, so check that out. Alright, let's zoom in just a bit. That is, wow, never seen anything like that. Is that a river? Is that a glacier? It's not a glacier, so it's a river. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Alright, surrounded by nature. Alright, I'm gonna head back downstairs. I'm 2 minutes in, but check this out. Ah, there we go. There we go. You ever seen anything like this? I haven't. First time. Alright, so let's head back in. Let's check out this side and show this side there. Alright. Head back in. Do a quick tour of our room. Again, it includes dinner. It includes breakfast for 120 gel. And we didn't book it. We could have booked it online. Okay, like I said, that's the stairs. They're still working on the upstairs section. I probably shouldn't be up there, but hold on. So, again, this is a little sitting area. The sitting area. Okay, she found it. She is Laura, my girlfriend. We're gonna check this out. Anyhow, she said I left the door open. I probably did. It's all good. Alright, so here it is. Twin beds, right? And we've got a view. It's not that big, and it's okay. It's It's not that big. It's totally okay. Let's try to get some focus. All right. This is her spot. This is my spot. But it's cool. It's really neat. All right. All right. We just unpacked. Got some stuff. A little coat area. That stuff hung. Right there. Hold on. Boom, boom. Hold on. Zoom. There it is. Focus. All right. Now. Got a little window, and what I appreciate about this place is that this window has a screen, so we can leave this open, right? If we need to. Now, granted, we're high up, so you gotta have a heater, which is what they have right over the window. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom. So we got our own private bath. Let's put the light on. That's a water heater, and yes, it works. Water was really hot. I just got done taking a shower because we just arrived maybe a half an hour ago. And there's actually a heater here. Hold on, that's a wall heater. That's a, call it space heater, but it's not a space heater. So yeah, there's a shower. Built recently, this entire building, facility in March, is what I was told. How's that? Alright, so now we have access to a balcony, a rare balcony. Alright, it's in the back of the building. Let's head over there. And the view is epic. I just showed you the view from upstairs. I'm going through one of the halls, main hallways. Yeah, just walk down that hallway. Right? And I'm going out here. This is, we have access to this balcony, so check this out. Let's get that. Do you see what I see? Oh, can you hear that? Yeah, it was just upstairs. We saw that building. It's so peaceful back here. Yeah. 120 gel per night. Breakfast and dinner included. Your own private room with private bath. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna sit out here and just chill and enjoy the rest of the day. You do the same. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit me up in the comment. Let me know what you think of this place. This place is amazing. My first time going on like a 4 or 5 day hike. Oh, free range chicken. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's zoom in a bit. That's cool. That's, I'm out here in nature. So worth it. Hold on, let's. There we go. Oh my.
She asked if we want Chacha.
She just asked us if we want Chacha. No Chacha.
I've had Chacha.
No Chacha.
What? We know. Oh, wine.
Wine.
No, I was so good. No.
Look at this. They just made all of this for us. This is amazing. They just made all of this for us. We just arrived maybe, what, an hour ago? Hour and a half? Oh, we're so hungry. This is so cool. The only thing we ate today was lunch that was provided for us by our last guest house. Oh.